Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix Epic Games is already linked with another social club account. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you bought GTA 5 on Epic Games and if you're experiencing this error, probably you put the wrong email on your Rockstar game. So what you need to do here is you need to open a Epic Games account that you have a GTA 5. So let's open it. And then you just need to put that particular account email and a password. And if you don't know what password is, you just need to press on it here, go to accounts, not password, email. And then here you will find the email. We need to wait for a couple of seconds. As you can see here, it should be your email. And then you just need to put the Rockstar account, email, and the password. Make sure Epic Games and Rockstar Games account is the same, with the same email, and it should work. If for some reason this do not work, then I will show you what you need to do here next. Is to then open up a browser. Then you just need to go to Rockstar Games, log into with an account that you have a GTA 5. In my case is this account. Then you need to go to help, then go to support. On help and support, go to account support, then go to Rockstar Games account, then go to account linking, and then you need to write something along these lines. Hey, can you link my Rockstar account to my Epic Games account? And then you need to have your Epic Games account that you want to link. So open up Epic Games, press on your profile, go to account, and once you're on account here, you need to copy your account ID. So copy this ID, and then here, copy this ID, and then submit a request. And they contact you as soon as possible, linking your two accounts, Epic Games and the one that you have on Rockstar Games account. And then with the same email, you can log into Rockstar Games and play the game. So yeah, that's basically it. And if I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.